Hello, everybody, it's Larry, and welcome to Two at Two. Let's start the clock. And I had a viewer ask a question, and that was, why doesn't Ancestry show us the DNA matches under 20 centimorgans? Which would be nice, but they don't. They've cut that off arbitrarily at 20. But I'm going to show you the reason why. And the answer is pretty simple. Look here at the shared DNA. I have 39,000, almost 40,000 matches. But look at the number that are 20 and above. Only 2,600 that are close matches. 37,000 are beyond that. So it saves them a lot of bandwidth having to serve that page every time I scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Plus, the use of proxy servers, not to get too complicated, but it reuses some information. Well, there's a timeout feature on that, and the length of time to give me that page, it could time out and cause some errors. And it already causes errors sometimes when I'm doing searching, if I'm on the page too long. So I'm sure that there's some of the factors in it. But we can still get to those. But before we do, I want to enter the custom centimorgan range here of 6 to 7 because I wanted to see if any of the old ones were still out there. And the answer is it was. So I can click on this person, as you can see it's KM, so the name's hidden. Click on shared matches, and you can see my grouping is there. I know they're connected to me through the brown line. So this could potentially be pretty valuable to me. But if we go back to the main page, the way you can get those, and what I would do is instead of 6 to 7, obviously I put 6 to 19 because those 20 are already there. And I'm going to click on this person, and I've checked and it's okay. So we're going to look at the shared match for them. And looky here, very solidly in my yellow grouping. I know that they're on my McFarland line, and as such, they may well hold the clue. So you can still work with those people by going back to the groupings here, do a custom group range and put in 6 to 19, click apply and work through that and check the shared matches and see where they're at, and then you can add them to that group as necessary.